Welcome back, students, for Electoral Politics Part 2.
Electoral competition do for us? Before that, let's know what electoral competition means. Electoral competition means it's a competition between the political parties or candidates. This is measured by the margin of the victory. Now let's know what electoral competition does for us. The first point is the regular competition motivates the political parties and the candidates. Second point is the political parties and the leaders know that there's a chance of win in next election when they raise the issues on people's request. When they raise the issues on people's request, they can easily win the hearts of the people. But if they fail to satisfy the voters' request, that is, they need it, they cannot win the next election. So this says that the electoral competition forces the political parties or the leaders.
What is our system of election? Let's divide the Indian government into two, the central government and the state government. In the central government, there are two types of parliament, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha is the upper house, whereas the Lok Sabha is the lower house. In spite of Rajya Sabha being the upper house, the Lok Sabha has the major power. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected by the members of the Lok Sabha. Then who elects the members of the Lok Sabha? It is we the people who elect the members of the Lok Sabha. The members of the Lok Sabha are called as MPs, which means members of the parliament. In the state government, it is the Vidhan Sabha. It is headed by the chief minister of the particular state. The members of the Vidhan Sabha are elected by the people. These are called as MLAs or members of legislative assemblies. In some states in India, there are two legislative assemblies. In this case, it is called as the Vidhan Parishad. Now I hope you're clear with the topic of parliaments. Do you know what happens when a chief minister or prime minister of a country dies or resigns from his position? A by-election is conducted. A by-election is a special election conducted in which the vacant spot is being filled by conducting a general election.
Reserved constituencies. Reserved constituencies are seats allotted both in the state and parliamentary assembly for a specific group of population of the country, which includes SC, ST, and in some cases women. They come under reserved constituency because they are from the weaker side of the society. This is done in order to bring equality among people and have fair chances for weaker sections of the society to also stand in elections and win.
We all learnt about Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha elections. But the question that arises is, how will people vote for these elections? Will they go to a particular place to vote? Well, I will answer for this. In India, an area-based system of representation is followed, where the country is divided into different areas for the purpose of conducting elections. So, these divided areas are called the electoral constituencies. Every voter who is above 18 can vote one representative in that area mentioned for them in their voter ID. So basically, using these constituencies, elections are held. For the Lok Sabha election, India is divided into 543 constituencies. So when we elect the representative who wins in that particular area will be called the Member of Parliament or MP. So as we all know, the democratic elections has a main feature where every vote has an equal value, which is a free and fair thing. Coming to the Vidhan Sabha elections, each state is divided into specific number of assembly constituencies. The representative who wins in each assembly constituency is called the member of the Legislative Assembly or MLA. We should remember one thing, which is in both the cases of elections, every adult citizen of India can vote only in their constituency.